Here is how to save your photos and videos from Snapchat to your phone's camera roll. First, you need to go ahead and launch your Snapchat application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. After that, tap on your profile picture icon from the top left corner of your screen, and here you need to select the gear icon in the top right to access your settings. From the settings page, you need to scroll all the way down, and under privacy controls section, you'll get the option of memories, that is between generative AI settings and lenses. Select it, and here you'll get two different sections of storage and save destinations. Go ahead and select Save button, which is under the Save Destinations option. And again, you'll get three different options of memories, memories and camera roll, and camera roll only. Choose either memories and camera roll or just camera roll. And after you set this up, when you take a photo or video in Snapchat, tapping the Save button will save it directly to your camera roll. So that's it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.